just change it, act like I ain't noticed. Getting money, nigga, that my main focus. But 223, and you act like you don't notice. But part of beam and my niggas always falling.
Hey everyone, I'm back. Wait, that was not my intro. Let me do it again. Wait. What's up, KJ gang? And I'm back with another video. Oh no, I am back with another review of these products. They are called LipSense. This is my first time trying these. My cousin works with them, so she sells them, she promotes them, she does all that good stuff. So I was talking with her, she was talking to me about it, and she sent it to me herself. So it came with a little discount thing. It says, hey LipSense lovers, sign up for a wholesale discount for $55 and get 20% off to 50% off your purchase from Kalina, my cousin Kalina. You can follow her on Instagram. I don't know if it shows, but it says everyday lip wear. That's her Instagram page. It's how to apply the LipSense. I have two colors. I got a nude brown. It is called Praline Rose. Nice red. Everyone knows I love a red lipstick, and this one's called Fly Girl. You had to get at least the matte LipSense or the gloss LipSense. I got the gloss because it's more hydrating for the lips instead of matte. So if you have matte over matte, your lips is gonna dry and probably, like, I don't know, feel very weird. So I got the gloss because you can put this on throughout the day. Your lips moisturized, hydrated, and glassy, girl, glassy. And you are supposed to get the oops remover, but oops, I didn't get it. So I'm gonna try and get these lipsticks off by oil. Maybe coconut oil. I am gonna try one of these colors because, like I said, these don't come off, so I'm gonna probably do this one. I'm gonna put the gloss on top. So let's read the instructions. Before I do, please hit that like button, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button, okay? And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get videos from me every single time I post. And if you don't hit that bell, you don't get my videos. So please hit that bell and get my videos every single day, or twice a day. Whenever I post, you will get it, okay? So now let's get into this video and start testing out one of the LipSense. So how to apply. Number one, clean and dry your lips and shake the color very well. I'm gonna just take my cleanser and sponge and rub my lips in there. I hope it doesn't fuck up the LipSense, because it says clean your lips, and my lips has foundation all over it. Okay, lips are clean. Now dry them. Number two, apply a thin, even layer of the lip color, moving in one motion. Don't go back and forth because this is not proper lipstick or liquid lipstick. I licked my lips again. Oh, this is... So if you swipe back and forth, you're gonna take off product. Okay, let me shake it. One motion. Oh, it's burning. Okay. Oh my gosh, that burns. That burns. See, she's shaking. It burns. The best results. Apply 3 layers of the lip color. Let each layer dry for 5 seconds and then apply the next layer. Do not have your lips touch. Do not smack your lips. I got it. Okay. Is this 5 seconds? Okay, and do a second layer. Okay. Hard second. Color looks nice. Color looks nice. Okay. That's me trying to swallow. Next layer. Oh. This is a nice color. This is a really nice color. No one. Don't put your lips if they are cracked, or if wow, I can't say it. Okay, if you bite them, don't. It burns like you're pouring alcohol on a cut. Just saying, it burns. It's still sticky, so don't keep your mouth open. Okay. 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 You done yet? Are you done? Fuck. I'm gonna put one layer. They said 3. Bitch, I wanna do 4. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry. And then I'm gonna put the gloss on top. This is so pretty. And hey. Hey. Ah, still sticky. I can't smack my lips together yet, so. This takes forever. Like, who has time to put this on and have places to go? You know, I don't have time for it to fully dry. It's a little sticky. Maybe because I put on 4 instead of 3. But anyways, I'm gonna put my lip gloss on and let's see if the color on my lip goes on the lip applicator. It didn't go on. This lip gloss feels nice. Very hydrating, like what they said. Nothing went on it. Nothing. So that's a good thing. Like, that's a plus side, eh? That's a plus side, eh? If it doesn't if it doesn't transfer on this, it won't transfer on anything. So let me do a little test for y'all. Nothing. Let me I don't have a glass. I don't have a glass. So let me rub my lips. Bitch. Well, that concludes the video. Basically, it doesn't come off. The gloss came off, so I need to put some more on. But it doesn't come off the paper, doesn't come off my finger, doesn't come off the applicator. Most likely won't come off when I'm drinking. That's it. I gotta start heading over to the place. I gotta leave, I gotta get my shit on, I go pee and head out. So if you like this video, cause I actually did, please hit that like button. Comment down below and let me know if you like this color, because I really do. I can test out the red one like tomorrow if you want me to test it tomorrow. You guys should get LipSense, females, but don't put it on if you have cuts. Don't put it on your lips are cracked. Don't put it on if you're biting your lips, because that shit was burning. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get videos from me every single time I post, because if you don't hit that bell you don't get my videos. So hit that bell, okay, and make sure it's on the correct option, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm back home. I did have some potato wedges. I did have some iced coffee. When I was eating the potato wedges, nothing was coming off my lips. When I was drinking the iced coffee, it was not coming off the straw. Like, I was even doing this. I was like, that looks so wrong, but I was like, well, rubbing my lips on the straw to see if it's gonna rub off. No. I ate my potato wedges like a wild animal to see if it's gonna come off. No. So it's been 9 hours since I put this LipSense on. It's almost 11 p.m. I put this on at like 5:30. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little bit of lines, but other than that, it doesn't come off. So where were you in my life? I've been buying stuff that said 24 hours comes off right when I do this. Doing this is some magic. This is some magic, because I don't know how to take this off. But anyways, yeah, so this is my little 9-hour update. If this is still on my lip tomorrow morning, I will let you guys know in my next video.